as the YouTube star, Professor CYGNUS. Praying that everyone is staying healthy and having wise decisions. Hey, speaking of wise decisions, kids, if you want to grow up to be a biologist or a veterinarian, you should definitely check out my educational songs of anatomy. Oh wow, you get to learn all kinds of different anatomies and biologies of different creatures. From beetles to wasps to bees to humans to all kinds of creatures on my educational songs. And you can get your free puzzles that go with that. Oh, wow. Okay, you all. For this episode, we'll be singing my specially created human anatomy song. And remember, in this episode, you get to have your own puzzle of anatomy. Wow, that is super fun. And remember, life is not fun unless you sing along. So make sure to sing along to my educational songs. We have the brain, the eyes, the nose, the tongue, the ears, the lungs, the heart, the diaphragm, the esophagus, stomach, spleen. The spleen is a blood purifier. Duodenum. Connected to the duodenum goes the pancreas, making the enzyme mix. To the duodenum. From the duodenum goes the liver, the gallbladder cyst duct. To the duodenum. From the duodenum goes the small intestine. From the small intestine goes the large intestine. Out to the exit. Do not forget the appendix. Then we have the kidneys in the back, making the urinary tract. From the arteries and veins goes kidneys. Then we have the glands producing things such as adrenal gland. Then we have the valves and the bladder and the exit and out. Then we have the skin, the layers of tissue, the muscle, the bone marrow, and bone. That is how the anatomy goes. But you ask, you want more details of anatomy. Well, stay tuned and sing along with me. The brain is a part of the main processing with neurons, neuropaths, and nerve cells. So many efforts and details. The eyes process pixels, sending the brain signals from the outside planet, as the nose can manage over 10,000 different molecules. Wow, that is a lot to handle. In the mouth, with over 500 taste bud receptors. In the tongue, always show the body love. The ears process sound waves in the cochlear and mix that into brain waves. Wow, incredible processing, great empowerment our body brings. Make sure to sing along with me to learn more about anatomy. We have 3 lobes on the right lung, 2 lobes on the left. Always aim to the potential and show our best. Come on, let's sing the rest. And the reason why we have 3 lobes on the right lung and 2 lobes on the left is because the heart has to have room. So in order for the heart to have room, this lung has to give room to the heart. And that is why this lung has 2 lobes and this lung has 3 lobes. We have 3 lobes on the right lung, 2 lobes on the left. Always aim to the potential and show our best. Come on, let's sing the rest of my specially created songs. I like this better when you all sing along. The heart is a part of what pumps and flows the blood to give proper vitamins when eating, that goes down the esophagus into the stomach that makes stomach acid. The diaphragm flexes to prevent inflamed situations from happening. The liver purifies the blood. The gallbladder creates acidics to the cyst duct, then to the duodenum, as the pancreas creates enzyme mix. Then the small intestine is main for absorption. The appendix helps the bowels move from the small intestine to the large intestine. Ask in the comments if you have any questions. The kidneys filter the blood from those terrible toxins. The adrenal glands create hormones like the pancreas that helps you grow. Give a like, share, and subscribe if you love to know the anatomy to help you learn and grow mindfully. And make sure to take a screen photo of your free puzzle product of anatomy that was designed specially by me. Make sure to take a screen photo by pressing the power button and the down button at the same time. You can print out, then you can label this, then you can color this, then you can laminate with clear packaging tape, and then you can cut this out and then take with you everywhere. After putting the puzzle together with the educational song, of course. And remember, you can get all of the entire collection of anatomy puzzles on my educational songs. Just search YouTube Professor CYGNUS, spelled CYGNUS. Anatomy songs. That comes with free puzzles. Wow, that is super cool. Remember when singing the part of the human anatomy about the heart? The heart pumps and flows the blood to give proper vitamins. Wait. Then you ask, what are vitamins? Good question. You should always question to learn the lesson. Who, what, when, where, why, how, can, is. Who, what, when, where, why, how, can, is. Question. To learn the lesson, you should always question. And today, we are going to start with the vitamin chart. But make sure to sing along. And stay tuned for the Did You Know fact at the end of the episode of how they have the supplemental facts. And today we will start to look at the vitamin chart. Proteins are chains of amino acids. To be strong, our bodies have to have this. Proteins repair and make new cells. We have proteins. That is why we have the strength to tell. Yet we have the other needed vitamins as well. Vitamin A helps to repair the vision and immunity. Thiamine converts carbohydrates into energy. Vitamin B6 helps with the immunity, brain, and the system of the nervous. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B12 helps the nerves and blood cell health. Folates help the cells divide, also known as vitamin B9. Vitamin C helps with the blood, the muscle, and bone. Iodine helps to make thyroid hormones. Biotin is good for the skin, the nails, and energy production. Selenium helps DNA prevent damage and infection. Zinc helps DNA heal tissue, building proteins and immunity. Chromium helps insulin and blood sugars in the body. And iron helps to make hemoglobin, a protein in blood cells, also helping hormones. And vitamin D helps with absorption and storage for calcium and phosphorus. Calcium is good for the bones. All of these vitamins are important to know. Very good. Well put. Bravo. Glad that you were singing along to the songs. Okay, so far you've learned about the human anatomy and about vitamins. Now do you want to know a did you know fact? Did you know that in order to create the supplemental facts and the nutritional facts, they have to have something called a spectrophotometer. Whoa, let's break down this huge word, okay? Spectro, then photo, then meter. Spectrophotometer. That is correct. They measure the amount of vitamins in water and light. Glad that you all was singing along. And hey, stay tuned to my educational songs by searching YouTube Professor CYGNUS, spelled C-Y-G-N-U-S, made for kids. And tune in to the anatomy songs and get the entire collection of anatomy puzzles specially designed by me. Stay healthy and make sure to stay tuned and learn in the most fun ways with my educational songs. See you all soon, and if you have any questions, just ask in the comments below.